Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. We're talking about Fiverr stock. I had massive news that drove the stock. I'm not a financial advisor and all my videos are my own opinions, so please do your research before consulting my videos. Fiverr International is an international marketplace for freelance services. Fiverr is currently traded around $302.91. They're up a massive 7.46%. I'd like to salute everybody who got into this play. We got some massive news from Fiverr. So yesterday Fiverr announced subscriptions feature. So it's a new feature that enables long-term relation between freelancers and customers. This new feature allows customers to subscribe to the freelancer's service. So this is really good. The reason this is good for customers is that because they don't need to keep going on their Fiverr website to keep buying the service every month. So this is why the stock went up. This is really good news. It is good for the freelancers because it gives them a more consistent stream of income. They will have to buy the subscription every month or every 6 months, so that gives a more consistent stream of income to the freelancers. They won't be switching to another freelancer and to another freelancer, so this is really good. So according to Yahoo Finance, Fiverr is actually buying out Working Not Working, which is a leading platform for high-end creative talent. They want to help creative talents find job opportunities. There are many people with creative talent, but they don't have jobs. It gives the opportunity to those creative talents to have a job. So it was initially made for to help their friends and connections in the creative industry find jobs. That's going to give way more job opportunities to those with creative talents. And Fiverr actually does believe that creative jobs will be the jobs of the future. These creative talents can actually register their freelance service to customers, and when customers need their service, they can either buy their service or subscribe to their service depending on their needs, and this will give an income to their freelancer. So this will actually boost revenues for Fiverr, which is good for the company because more and more freelancers into their company. I think this just makes them an even longer, stronger hold. They'll stand out from their competitors. So we're just going to look at what some big institutions are doing with Fiverr stock. TFC Financial Management had actually increased their positions in Fiverr. In the past 4 days, no institutions are selling shares. They're either buying or holding. You can see here. We can see TFC buying, Buy & Trust buying, Hightower Advisors buying, so it's really good. How would I invest $1,000 in this company? I'll put my first $250 tomorrow on Friday when the market opens, no matter the price, because we believe in the company. Then Monday if it drops to $298, put your next $250 on this. Then on Tuesday if it drops to $290, put your next $250 on that. On Wednesday if it drops below $290, put your last $250 on that. Then after we average down, we write it back up to its highs because we know this is going to go back up. I believe you guys should establish your position before February 18 because that is their earnings day, and I do think they're going to go up on that day. It's just my opinion. That was just a short video on Fiverr news today. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel.